Hi, welcome to your channel Generous, Gracious and Gallant. I'm your host Dr. Moore M. Ghosh and I'm back today with another very inspirational video for all of you. The video I bought for you today is about the Bridgeman of India. You will be hearing a lot more about him shortly in this video. But before we go on to the video about the Bridgeman, could I request all those of you who have come on to the first time to the channel Generous, Gracious or Gallant or have not yet subscribed to the channel to kindly subscribe to the channel and also share these videos with your friends and family so that they are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. I started this channel in May 2020 in view of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. My mission was to share with you the stories of mankind at its very best, living by the eternal human principles, and also share with you daily inspiration. For sharing with you daily inspiration, we have got a WhatsApp group and a Facebook group which have 200 and 850 members respectively, and we share daily inspiration there. And on YouTube, where today we have got over 555 subscribers, we share with you videos about mankind living by the eternal human principles. Please understand, friends, when you live by these eternal human principles such as diversity, respect, kindness, respect for the elders, integrity, honesty, while success will be delayed, once success decides to join hands with you, it will be eternal or long lasting. When you adopt shortcuts and do not live by these human principles, success frequently becomes your partner much earlier. But she is finicky and leaves your side very fast. The number of suicides we see today among the so-called successful people in life is because of the fact that they have adopted shortcuts and have not lived by these eternal human principles. Living by these eternal human principles etched in stone is the only sure shot way to success, long lasting success. So kindly do subscribe to this channel and inspire your family members and others to live by these principles. The person I'm speaking to you about today is Girish Bharadwaj, the snow called in Setu Bandhu or Bridgeman of India, who has built over 147 bridges till date connecting remote villages to the mainland in India. He was born on 2nd May 1950. He graduated in mechanical engineering in 1973 and he built his first bridge in 1989 over the Payaswani River in Karnataka. Since then, he has built multiple other bridges in Kerala, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, but most of them have been in his home state of Karnataka. In 2017, he also won the Padma Shri. Friends, in our country there are thousands of remote villages which are not connected well with towns and villages. They are separated by rivers, forests, and therefore relatively inaccessible. Medical emergencies there are a nightmare. They have no access to schools or hospitals and basic amenities such as even electricity and water. The starting of Girish Bharadwaj's journey as a bridgeman was from one such remote village, the Aramburu village over Payaswani River in Karnataka. Their only connection with the mainland was by a boat over the river Payaswani, and when the boat had problems or the river was flooded, traveling over it even with boat was a nightmare. Medical emergencies resulted in loss of many lives. They had no basic resources to take care of even their livelihoods. They put in many requests to the government, but because of the remoteness of the village and the outlay involved, financial outlay in building such bridges, the government refused. The villagers got together and requested Girish, who was having his own workshop there, to build a bridge for them. He outrightly refused. He said, "No chance, it's not possible." But they pestered him. So Girish took it upon himself to read up about bridges and also connected with other engineers on how to build bridges. He soon hit upon a safe and affordable design. He stopped all other works in his small workshop and concentrated on only building the bridge. The villagers got together with him, and not only did they support him financially, but they also supported him by putting in the labor on the bridge. In 3 short months, with an investment of only about 1.5 lakhs, they could build a 87-meter long hanging bridge. Seeing this achievement, the government of India approached him and requested him to support at other remote villages. Of the 147 bridges he has built today, as on date, where most of them have been with government support, but quite a few have been with the support and financial outlay from the villagers themselves, and in a few cases, Girish himself has contributed out of his pocket. 91 of these bridges have come up in Karnataka, 30 have come up in Kerala, and 3 each in Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. He is lovingly called as Setu Bandhu or Bridgeman of India. The government of India conferred on him the Padma Shri in 2017 in view of his services to mankind. Friends, not all of us can be Girish Bharadwaj, who can make and influence the lives of millions of people. But yes, I am a strong proponent and believer of the concept of difference to one. Mankind is going and facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID-19 virus. Millions have lost their jobs and many millions have lost their lives against this infamous COVID-19 virus. It's time those of us who are relatively unaffected by this virus, either economically or medically, stand up and be counted. Make a difference to one person in your community who has been affected. The ripples of your kindness will make a difference, and you would have contributed to mankind's winning its battle against this infamous COVID-19 virus. Friends, till we meet again with another amazing video on your very own channel, Generous, Gracious and Gallant. Stay safe, all the best, and I request once more, please do subscribe to the channel and also share these with your friends and family so that they too are inspired to live by the eternal human principles. Thank you, good luck, all the best.